In example 1, part A, we're given y equals 3 to the x. So this is going to be a function that is of the form y equals a to the x. And so differentiating this, remember that the rule is that you take the natural log of the base a and you just multiply by a to the x. So applying that rule here, we obtain y prime equals the natural log of 3 times 3 to the x. Why don't you pause the video, take a moment, work out example 1 part B, and we'll come back and we'll check that in just a moment. In this example, it might be helpful to first rewrite y. Since 4 is already a power of the base 2, it's 2 to the second power, I can rewrite this as 2 squared to the 3x power. And then applying my power rule, we have 2 to the 2 times 3x, and that is going to be 2 to the 6x. Now I can take the derivative y prime, and I see that my base here is 2, so I will do natural log of 2, and I'm going to multiply that by 2 to the 6x, so that was the original function. And now, via the chain rule, I need to multiply by the derivative of 6x, and 6x differentiates to become 6. And so then, finally, we are left with 6 times the natural log of 2 times 2 to the 6th power, 64 to the x. So where did the 64 to the x come from? So real quick, 2 to the 6x is equal to 2 to the 6th to the x. 2 to the 6th is 64, and so we get 64 to the x. That is going to be my derivative.